And set path. What's a set path? When you type a command in the MATLAB, you can run a command, a script in MATLAB with writing the name of the script in the command window, and it will be run, and you will see the result of your M file in here. For example, it is for prediction of rainfall in one area. When you type a name in the command window of MATLAB search for this the M file in the current folder and in the days paths. If the MATLAB can find this M file, then it will run it, and you will see the result of your code. But if you create a project in the section of MATLAB that it is not accessible by MATLAB, you must you must add this folder or subfolder to the MATLAB search path very easily. Just click on add folder or add with subfolder, and that folder or the subfolders are at the search path. Then when you write the name of that script or function in the command window, it will be run without any problem.